Hello and welcome to another video about Fallout 4 settlements down here at the Mirkwater construction site. In order to get this place, all you have to do is kill a Mirror Queen. That's it. No problem. Now this place comes with this horribly destroyed house here and that there stupid forklift. There's a vehicle on the other side that's scrappable, and then this here partially built structure. Well, let me cover the first main thing that's I'm going for I would actually call it both a benefit and a drawback. The Mirror Queen, it respawns and right inside your base, as you can see here, or settlement, I guess you can call it. Now it normally spawns right over. I don't know if it destroyed this stuff. Nope. It usually spawns right here. I gotta check to make sure that it didn't do any dumbness of killing a whatchamacallit. Settler. Actually no, my settlers are full of number. But yeah, that's what it does. Damage something. There we go. Hopefully that does fix number back up to 30. No, it's not. Man. There we go. Now it's fixed. But it likes to respawn. I mean, it's helpful because it's experience and free loot. But it's a pain in the butt because it spawns right inside there. And it'll just start spitting acid spit everywhere. I'd also like to cover this here weapon that I use. This is a drop I got off of a legendary. I renamed it. I don't know what its name. I don't recall exactly what its name was when I originally got it, but I renamed it, so it's not going to drop with that name. But this is what it does: is that it does that plasma, and it has a chance to turn them into goo. That's why I like it, because when they get turned into goo, they have a chance to drop nuclear material, which is useful in building some of the really powerful stuff in this game. So I utilize, of course, the shack foundation walls. I built the farm. It extends around that building, and there's another portion of it, so it extends all the way to that corner. I gave up on trying to repair this place, this building, and just smash the artillery cannon in there. Now you do get these here mutated ferns inside, which is kind of nice and helpful. Yeah, I just went with large shacks in order to fulfill the bed requirements for my settlers. And I built this small murder tower here to deal with the Mirror Queen that respawns. There's the caravan rest stop. I don't actually recall if I've ever I can't actually recall if I've been attacked other than that Mirror Queen which it doesn't even register as a attack. The place is under attack on the Pip-Boy. It's just a random spawn. As no background mobs. So yeah, that's basically it for this place. I mean, there usually is over in that general direction. Can't really see it from here, can we? No, wait, there it is. Yeah, that's that usually has a Mr. Gussie or Major that will respawn from time to time, but it's too far away to oh, it is. Never mind. I guess this is a benefit to this place. Oh, it's a Colonel Gussie too.
Nothing to report. Stay safe.
He's kind of powerful. He's a Colonel. So I guess that's another benefit to this place is you do like that right there. Drag him over.
Justice for me now.
Or I guess it should be called a hit. So yeah, that's a prime example of utilizing your settlements to help deal with kind of powerful enemies. So, but I have not actually been randomly attacked or had a targeted raid reported through Pip-Boy on this place, so I don't know of any spawn points for those. But that is the mirkwater construction site here in a nutshell. Hopefully that does give some tips and ideas.